What's up, people? Brewing Daddy here, and we are going to be reviewing a product for you that we just recently purchased. We just got into kegging, and this is a kit that we got from actually Midwest Supplies, but it's a Northern Brewer product. So we got a 5-gallon Corny used and reconditioned keg. It has all new seals. It's been cleaned. It just doesn't look brand new, but it is like new. And we got a CO2 regulator. Open that up, show it to you. Go ahead and pull it out, which is brand new, of course. And then we also have our tap line components, which includes your connections, your tap, and your line. Everything you need to get set up, with the exception of your CO2 tank, which we also purchased from them separately. This whole setup was $139, which is not a bad deal. When you consider if you bought all this separately, it'd be well over $200. The keg alone would probably be close to that if it was brand new. So great deal. We used a coupon, got free shipping, so we ended up paying $129 with no shipping, so it wasn't a bad deal at all. So we're gonna brew up some beer, kegging this, and let you know what we think about it. We also purchased a jockey box, which we'll use for cooling our beer. We didn't want to have to put it in the refrigerator. I don't like the idea of going hot to cold. I'm not going to be able to drink this very fast. So I want to be able to cool exactly what I'm drinking. So I was able to pick up a used jockey box for a really good deal. I'll show that in another video where I'm going to show up my whole setup. But we're going to review this so far. Of course, these items are brand new. The hose looks great. We can open it up, show you exactly what comes with it. Some instructions. There's one of your fittings there. It's like for your CO2 side. And this is your tap line and one of your fittings here. This is actually your CO2 side. Sorry. That's your CO2 side. This will connect to your CO2 tank. And this is going to be your tap side. That's going to connect from, it's going to connect here to your outlet side of your keg. So black should go with black, and the gray is your CO2. So that includes all those parts, some instructions, which are pretty simple and straightforward. It just talks about the regulator, the keg, and making the connections, all that good stuff, cleaning, sanitizing, and so on. And then again, your regulator, which this will actually mount to your CO2 bottle, and then your line, your CO2 line will go here where your shutoff valve is. And then this is just a relief valve. And then you got your 2 gauges there. Your control, you control your amount of CO2 that's going in and out of your keg. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple setup, not a whole lot to it. We'll make another video setting this up and showing you how to use it if you're a first-time user. But we just wanted to open this product up, show what we had purchased. I think it's a pretty good deal. Everything looks good. Like I said, this keg, it's reconditioned. The seal, the O-rings look really, really good on it. They're brand new. When I opened the keg up, it was pressurized. I had to let pressure off of it. I looked at all the O-rings, everything looks good. This O-ring looks brand new. There wasn't any kind of smell or odor, and it had appeared that they had cleaned it. I will still rinse it good and put some sanitizer in it before I put beer in it, just to be on the safe side. but you always want to do that anyway, regardless. But pretty happy with it. I think we got a good deal. Pretty happy with it. I think we got a good deal. I'm excited to brew a 5-gallon batch to put in here. So we're going to have to do that real soon. Anyways, we appreciate you joining us for this unboxing of this keg starter kit. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in purchasing this from Northern Brewer. I'll put a link to their Amazon page in the description. You can check it out. Appreciate you joining us. Hope you're having a good one. Peace out and take care.